car and let it sit for a while it's hot, to get it very like flexible. I guess when it gets warm it gets very flexible, so it'll be a bit easier to install. So I have the welt cord. It came with this little installation tool, and I also have some heavy duty scissors. Just gonna take my welt cord and I'm gonna start here in between here, simply because it's already at an end point and I won't have to cut anything. So I'm simply just gonna go through and stick it in there. So as you can see, it's very easy to just go ahead and stick in there. And I'm just going to keep going, following the seam. So I did hear a YouTuber say, this is very loose, so that's why this is pulling out. Before I did this, I did watch my own YouTube tutorials, and they said that your fingers may start to hurt. So I'm gonna just take this tool and press it in there to make sure that it's in there good. So all I'm doing is following the trim that's already set in place and using my thumb to just push it in. You can pull this back and push it in that way. Use one finger to pull the trim back and use the other finger to push it in. I've reached this edge here, and what I realized is it's been really hard to do this edge. So one, the curves are pretty tricky anyway, but I suggest doing this on a hot day because it really makes a difference. The rest of the trim like went in super easily, but when I get to the corner, this spot is not sitting in the sun, so this is really hard to move back so that I can put this in. And this is not, you know, it's cooled down, so this is pretty hard to get into this groove. So I'd say before you do this, make sure it's a hot day, your car is hot, and make sure that your trim is actually pretty warm as well. This is the best way that it's working for me. Just put it over what you want to push in and then use your thumb and push it in. So I think that may be how it works, or I don't know if it works like this, but I don't want to scratch this up. So I'm just gonna do what's working best for me. So right now I have the first half complete. Make sure this is in all the way. I have this. I have one piece going all the way around to here. So now I'm just going to do some accents on my steering wheel.